real Healy Egan, and my student ID is 200666529. And today I'm just going to be demonstrating my species menu made in Bash, and I'll just go it step by step and show you every function and all the error checking. So first we'll start off in the species menu, and we'll just start off with the add. So I'm just going to add my own name for now. I already have some information preloaded in. So I'll just show you that it will not take a blank postcode, has to be correct. Put that in, and I'll just show you same with date. Will not take that, won't take blank either. So let's go 21. Email, will go Dale. Hello. Won't take that, needs to have the correct formatting. Dale.com. That's fine. So yeah, we'll add Dale to the menu. It shows confirmation that we are adding the user, then successfully shows that it was added fine. We want to proceed. No, we're actually going to go back to the main menu now, and I'm going to show you the search. I don't want to remove anything yet. I want to show you the search function first. So what we'll do is I'll just show you a specific for search first. So I'll just type my name. And there we go, we found two records of my name. So what we'll do is we want to search again. So we'll just press the enter key. And then this time, if we just press enter by itself, it will show you every record of the species listed in the species details file. So I have 5 records at the moment. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to come out of this now because we no longer need that. Also, just want to point out it shows the total number of records found as well. So it'll show you the total of all in the file or just a specific search. So now we'll go to email, and we'll email all first. So I'm just going to say hi everyone, and hi. Shows a preloaded preview of the message before I send it. So yeah, I'm happy to send that, and message sent. So now we'll just email a specific record this time. So we have a list of names here, all emails. So I'm just going to try and email someone that's not in this list. So Jamie, email not found. So yeah, let's try Billy. I can't see if that works. Okay, cool. So hi Billy, test. So just showing confirmation, and then we'll send. Cool. So we'll go back to the main menu, and then we'll go to remove. So first we're going to do the delete multiple. So since Dale is duplicated twice, we're going to actually delete both of these entries because we no longer need these in our system. So we will click Y to continue, and species have been removed. Now, just to show you that work, we'll go back to the main menu, and we'll search, and you can see Dale is no longer showing. So we'll just quit out of that again, go back into our remove species, and we're going to delete a specific one this time. So I actually want to get rid of you, Billy. So yeah, we're going to enter line number 1 that Billy's on. We're going to click delete, and we're going to confirm. Oh, actually, sorry, no, that has been removed. So what we'll do is we no longer want to delete anyone else, and we'll just go back to the main menu. And there's just one last thing I want to show. In the remove species, I added a function to delete all. So once you press this, it will ask you if you want to delete everything in the file. We're going to click Y, and everything in the file has now been deleted. So just to confirm that, we'll go back to our search. No records found. Last video just cut out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish up by showing you the quit option working fine. So we'll just go 5 and it quits. Cool. So now I'm just going to take you through the code very quickly. So I'll go the species menu first. Okay, cool. So I'll just extend this for us. So nothing really too fancy in here, just a standard case menu. And we have 4 different scripts running here, and then the exit option, which is number 5. Just a small comment added above each one of these, just explaining what each script does, just so if anyone else was reading over it, they would have an idea themselves. So we'll exit out of this, and then this time we will go we'll go search. Okay, cool. So the whole thing is in a while true loop. So it won't exit out until the user selects the letter N key on their keyboard. So first we're going to take in user input, and we're going to assign to a variable species name. And if the species name is not found, it will generate an error, a standard error, and or it will just display the name. So we're using the WC command here as well, just to gather the line numbers of the species, the amount of species listed. using grep I here for case insensitive searching, and then I'm just displaying the total number of line numbers there. And just giving the option to search again. If they want to search again, they press the N, or sorry, they press any key on their keyboard, or they just press N to quit. Okay, cool. So now we'll go through the remove species. Okay, cool. So there's a fair bit in this. So we'll just take it step by step. So for deleting multiple species, first we take the name of the species from the user. If the species is not found, we use this while loop. So while it's not found in grep, it will just keep on displaying the message user not found or species not found. Once it is found, it will display all the line numbers, including the full details of the species. Now, the reason we're generating the line numbers is because we want to store those line numbers and then use set to delete them. So we're taking another user input. So do you want to definitely delete all those lines? User selects yes. And what we do is we assign the line numbers to a variable. And then what we do is we store those line numbers in a new file. So once the line numbers are stored in a new file, we then use sed to add the letter D and the colon beside each number, so we can pass them into sed. So for example, 123 would have 1D colon 1D 3D colon, and then that will add that to a new file. And once that's added to a new file, it will all be on one line. So we just assign that to a variable using awk to print out the full line. And then we implant that in sed. And when that's in sed, that will delete the following files, or the following lines, I should say, sorry, just giving us confirmation that that's worked. And then we give the option, or sorry, we bring this user back to remove species, or they can just press letter N to cancel, and they will be brought back to the remove species menu. For delete all species, this is just something I had in from the start. So I'm just using something called truncate minus S0 species details. I've actually gotten this online. So I'm not, this isn't really part of the spec, so I'll just skip this for now. And delete specific record. So basically it's the same code as above, but this time instead of assigning all the line numbers to a file, since we're taking one input from the user, we just have to assign that one number to sed. So we're not doing anything with processing the numbers into a new file on delete specific. So we take the user input from the user. So they will type in a line number. If the line number is not found in the file, it would keep asking the user to type a correct line number. Once they type the line number, it will be deleted through sed, confirmation that the line number has been deleted, and then you get brought back to the main menu, or you can get brought back to remove species if you choose to delete another one. So let's do that now, and we'll do email very quickly. Hope I have enough time. So we'll go, sorry. Okay, cool. So for the email, same story as the remove species. So basically, we're just gathering all the emails first and storing them in an all emails file. And then what we're doing is we're adding a space after every email and adding them onto one line. So this is the command we use to add them all onto one line and then put a space in between. And then we're assigning that into email row. And then we assign email fin to the variable or to the command for printing out the full line of emails. Ask the user what they want to type, the subject, confirm the subject and the message and the user. If they want to send the email, yes, using the mail command here to send that. So just want to flag that using the mail command here. If they choose no, they go back to the email command, the email menu. And then for the last email specific record, I like to remove species again. So we're showing them all the emails in the file. We take in the name and the email they want. If we can't find the email in that, we give them the message email not found, ask them to type it again. When it's found, we ask the user for a message, a subject, and then we display the confirmation if they want to send it. They select yes, use the mail command to send, and confirmation that the message was sent. And if they choose no, they just go back to the main menu. Okay, thank you very much.